Hi, second graders. Mrs. Clark here. We're going to do something very exciting in math today. We get to build some base 10 block buildings. We get to be designers. It's going to be so much fun. All right, let me show you exactly what I mean. Here we go. So the first thing you're going to do is go to the launch pad and you're going to sign in using Clever. Then you're going to go down to the McGraw-Hill icon and you're going to click on that. When you get there, you can click on your math book and go to your e-toolkit. Once you go to your e-toolkit, there will be some things that come up at the very bottom. You will see a plus and the word eTools. Go ahead and click on that and let's bring up base 10 blocks. Now, at the bottom, you have several choices of base 10 blocks that you can use. You can use a cube. If you want more than one cube, you can say, maybe I want 5 cubes, and then drag that up and you get 5 to move around anywhere you want. You can use longs. Longs are worth 10 each, and because I had that number 5 checked, it gave me 5 longs. Let's say that I only want 1. I'm going to make sure that my number says 1, and I can bring 1 more out. So you have to move those around so that you can see them. Cubes are worth 1. Longs are worth 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So 1 long equals 10 cubes. 1 cube equals 1 cube. All right, then we have flats. And flats have 100 cubes inside. I'm not going to sit here and count 100 cubes out for you, but you could check it. You could say, you can count by tens pretty easily. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. So there are 100 cubes in a flat. You might ask, what do I do with all of these things? Guess what? You get to design your own building. But whatever you design, you're going to have to count how many blocks you have in all and tell of a number that represents your building. So let's say that I just start building my building. I'm moving these around any way that I want to. I do not have to move them around like Mrs. Clark is moving them around. I can change them as much as I want. I'm going to move this over here. Maybe I want to attach it right there. Oh, that's cool. All right, and then I can, maybe my building is going to have like a little rainbow arch of cubes. Not sure how this building would work in real life, but it looks kind of cool. Oh, I'm going to need more cubes. I can get more cubes from down here. Maybe, I don't know, maybe 5 more? Let's see. All right, I'm still working on building my design. I can design any kind of structure I want to. You are the designer, you are the engineer, and you know how your building works. So you can use cubes, you can use longs, you can use flats. It's up to you. Okay? Whatever you do and however you build your really cool building, you have to count how many blocks you have in all. Okay, so I decided that I am not going to use these, so I can delete those off of my screen. All right, let's see what number I have. I know that I have 1 flat, so I am going to put a 1 in the hundreds place. Okay, that's my hundreds place. I know that I have some longs, so let's count those. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I've got 6 longs. So I'm going to put a 6 in the tens place. Now my cubes, we're going to have to do something about the cubes. Let's count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So right there, that's 10 cubes. So guess what? 10 cubes turns into a long. So I'm going to erase the 6 and put a 7 because I added one more long in there. Although they're not together, 10 cubes still equals 10. So one long. So I'm going to add or make this a 7. All right. And then I've got 1, 2, 3 left. Did you see what I did? I kind of traded in 10 of these cubes for one long. I thought that might be easier. All right. So my building is worth 173 cubes. Okay, so if you're done building and you want to try a different building, maybe you want to build something that looks more like an actual building that you would see in the city, you can erase the screen by going to this button that's got the arrows on it. And it'll say, are you sure you want to clear your objects and remove the e-tools? And you say, okay, and it will remove it for you. You just have to go back to the e-tools button and find the base 10 blocks again, and you're ready to go again. Now, there is another block, let's say, that you could build with. This is 1,000. This is 1,000. So if you want to use that, you can. Just know that you're going to be having a number in the thousands place. I'm not going to use that, but you can if you want to. All right, so I'm going to try one more building before I get off of the video here. And I'm going to move it around once it's on my screen. Maybe make it go closer. And here's another one. I've got it about right there. Okay. And then maybe I put some little blocks on the top, kind of like, maybe they're kind of like little chimneys. Maybe I can even make that bigger if I wanted to. Or closer together. It's up to you. Whatever you design, that is your idea. You can design this on eTools, and then you could even draw it in your spiral notebook. Whatever you do, it's totally up to you, but you have to be able to count it. So let's go ahead and figure out what number I just built in my new cool building. We've got 2 flats, so that is 200. So I'm going to put a 2 in the hundreds place. I've got 2 longs, so I'm going to put a 2 in the tens place. And I've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 cubes, and I'm going to put a 6 in the ones place. All right, boys and girls, it is your turn now to design your super duper cool building. And I can't wait to hear about your designs. You are going to rock this skill. All right, boys and girls, have a great day. See you tomorrow. Bye-bye.